Hi, this is Edith, Instructional Innovation Trainer at Klamath Community College, and in this video I'm going to go over the Drawing tab of OneNote. I'm going to add a new section so I can begin with a clean slate. You can name it anything you want. I would recommend naming your sections something that you will remember what is under there. I would also put a title here. This will be helpful when you get to the history part of the OneNote. When you first click on the Draw tab, the first box is always selected, which is the type function. That means you can just begin typing within your notepad. The lasso select selects any kind of object or text within the document. The erase function is only available when you do a drawing or if you write with your stylus. It does not erase text or drawn shapes. This is your pen tool. It goes from very thin to very large. And these here are highlighters. You can tell by the different tips. If it's pointed, it's a pen. If it's flat like this, it is a highlighter. You have the choice of different types of pen modes, whether you want to create both handwriting and drawings, create drawings only or create handwriting only, or you want to use the pen as a pointer. First starting out, I would recommend using create both handwriting and drawings. Color and thickness, so if you've already picked pen size or style that you would like, you can pick any of these colors here. These are the only colors available. Same with the highlighter. I can choose any of the colors available here as a highlighter. You can draw any of these shapes. There are various shapes available to you. Perhaps I don't want these two shapes together. I can insert a space to drag them apart. If I have an object that I want to delete, I can select it. There's two ways I can do selection. I can either do double click on the object, or I can use the lasso select and try to capture it, and I can delete it. There are two images located here. You cannot see the other image. How I would fix that is I would select lasso select the objects. You see I have two different boxes here. I can go into arrange and then select bring to front, and it will bring that image that was hiding to the front of the document. Using the lasso select again, I'm going to select this rectangle and I am going to rotate it. And that's how you would use the rotation function. I'm going to select a pen again because I would like to show you the ink to text. So I wrote a word. I can use my lasso select again, highlight the word, and then I click on ink to text and it will change it into text for me. The next function I'd like to show you is ink to math. I'm going to select a pen. You have to be very clear with what you are writing. This is still a new feature and it's still learning, so it may not pick up exactly what you're trying to say. Click on lasso select and then click ink to math. And as you can see, I did not write that very clear, so I can erase that and start over again. Click on write. And there you have where I can now have 2 plus 2, which was my intent, and say insert, and now it goes to text. This video covered the Draw tab within OneNote. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to contact me. My email is warden@klamathcc.edu. My extension is 340, and you can find me on the Skype directory, Edith Warden. Thank you and have a great day.